In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a task in ClickUp. By the end, you'll have a new task created in the correct list with an assignee and a due date ready for your team to track and complete. First, open a ClickUp. You can launch it in your browser or open the desktop app. Wait for your workspace to load so you can see your sidebar and task views. Next, go to the exact space, then the folder, and then the list where you want this task to live. On the left sidebar, click the space name to open it. Under that space, click the folder that contains your work. Then select the specific list. You should now see the list view with any existing tasks. Take a second to confirm the list name at the top so the task is created in the right place. Now, click the plus new task button. You'll find it near the top right of the list view. This opens the new task window in the context of the list you just selected. Enter the task name. Click into the task name field at the top and type a clear, concise name that describes the work. The name is required, so make sure it accurately reflects the task. You'll see the title appear immediately as you type. Add details for the assignee and due date. Click the assignee field and choose the person responsible for this task. If you're assigning it to yourself, select your name. This ensures the task appears in the right person's workload. Then click the due date field. Pick the date on the calendar, and if time is needed in your workflow, set the time as well. Setting a due date helps with scheduling and reminders. If you're unsure, you can still select a tentative date now and adjust it later as needed. Once those fields look correct, click Create Task. This saves the task to the list. You'll be taken back to the list view, and you should see the new task appear immediately in the list of tasks. If the list is sorted or grouped, it will place the task based on the current view settings, but it is created and active. At this point, the task name is set, it's assigned to the right person, and it has a due date. If you open the task from the list, you'll see the assignee and due date exactly as you selected, confirming everything saved correctly. If you don't see the task right away, scroll within the list or check that you're still viewing the correct space, folder, and list you selected earlier. That's the full process. You open ClickUp, navigated to the right space, folder, and list, clicked plus new task, entered a clear task name, and added the assignee and due date and clicked create task. Your new task is now created in ClickUp and ready to be worked on. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.